Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to unbox my new Hisense Android Smart TV, and this is the A4 series 32 inch. As you can see, this is the front view of the TV box, and on the back side of the box is the same. So now let's get unbox the TV. Okay, now everything inside the box. We have the remote control, TV, user manual, and TV stand, and the battery of the remote, and some screw. Okay, now we already take out and install the TV stand, and you can see when we just first time getting the TV, it will have the sticker on it, so you can just take out the sticker by this yellow, and we need to remove some sticker on the TV before we can use. So there are the glass protect screen on here, and it have some model on the screen, and the power cable is built in to direct inside the TV, so we cannot remove the power cable. Okay, now let's roughly review with it show up on the sticker. So this TV you can use for YouTube, and it is the Android TV. You can also use the Netflix, and this one FIFA World Cup 2022 official television, DTS HD, one touch access. So I think it's not the touch screen. It may represent about this button, one touch access. You can get Prime Video, go to Google Play, YouTube Music, Netflix, and another function we can get through it in next video. Also on the TV box you can see it have Bluetooth, Wi-Fi built-in, Chromecast. This one is the one touch access as I show, and that's it. So now let's get back to the TV. Okay, now it have another one glass screen protector, so we need to take it out by take out this yellow sticker, and let's see together. Okay, now it's time to look around the TV. Here we have the Hisense logo, and under it you can see the receiver, and next to the receiver is the power button. You cannot see until you put your TV upside down like this, so it turn on and off. Okay, on the back of the TV, this is the power supply, so we cannot take it out. It's built in inside the TV, and it uses this kind of the socket, and we have the TV mounts on the back. We have two USB ports, digital audio output, headphone connector, and this one is the AV connection, antenna cable connection, and two HDMI, and last one is the Ethernet connection, LAN cable. And here is the some information of the TV model, power supply, power consumption, and the function of it. Okay, for the remote control we use the two of the AAA side battery. You can see the information inside the remote control. Okay, now let's input the battery like this. Okay, this kind of battery. Okay, now we already inside the home screen of the TV, as I already set up the TV, and now I just want to restart it to the factory default and do it again. But now this TV, there are no such factory reset, as I used to go to on any Android. You need to go to this one. You need to go to this one, but there's not a reset setting. It's just restarting the TV, and I already go through all its manual. This TV cannot do the factory reset, so you need to go through it by yourself. It's the first time set up. Just confirm one by one and go to the Wi-Fi setting and connect to your Wi-Fi network. Okay, if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box. I will try to help you, because I already set up it. It's not difficult. Okay, and I think that is all for today video of the unboxing this Hisense Android Smart TV. Okay, so now thank you everyone for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.